let's start with the chapter of semiconductors. Now, before we start with this, let's try to understand what you have in this particular chapter. Okay, now this chapter mainly deals with what is a semiconductor. In the sense, how do we differentiate a semiconductor from a conductor and an insulator? Okay, so you have energy level diagram, and then you have types of semiconductors. N-type, P-type, extrinsic, intrinsic, types of semiconductors are there. Once you know what is a semiconductor, then you are going to understand the applications of semiconductors. This is where you, first thing what you understand is a PN junction. Okay, once you have the PN junction, how a PN junction works, what is reverse bias, forward bias, different types of biasing. Okay, then after that you see, now that you know how it works, what are the uses of it? Where all we are going to use these semiconductors, especially the PN junction. Okay, now that you have understand the uses of it, multiple uses are there. Like we use this in LEDs, solar cells, as a rectifier we use diodes. There are lots of uses of diodes. Now we joined PN junction, like two junctions. That's how we get a diode. Now what if we join three of them? This is where transistors are introduced for you guys. So what is a transistor? What exactly is the function of a transistor and how does it work? Okay, now these are the main things. Then finally you guys are going to understand the Boolean algebra, the gates, logic gates we call it. You have only three types of gates this year. Okay, and, or, and not. These are the three types of gates we have and the combinations of it. Okay, now this is the overall view of what you guys are going to learn in this particular chapter. From the next video onwards, you guys will understand what is a semiconductor, like how do we differentiate between conductors, semiconductors and other things. Okay, that's what you guys are going to learn from the next video.